Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental yet incredibly effective exercise: triceps push-ups. If you're looking to tone and strengthen those triceps while getting a killer upper body workout, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's go over the correct form. Get into a plank position, hands slightly narrower than shoulder width apart. Keep your elbows close to your body. This is crucial for targeting those triceps. Engage your core to maintain a straight line from head to heels. As you lower yourself down, focus on the bend in your elbows, which will work those triceps. Your chest should almost touch the floor. Then, push through your palms to raise your body back up, feeling that burn in your triceps. Now, let's talk about a few tips to ensure your triceps push-ups are on point. First, remember to maintain proper body alignment throughout the movement. Keep your core engaged and your hips in line with your body. Second, if you're new to this exercise, you can start with modified push-ups on your knees. As you build strength, progress to full push-ups. Third, control is key. Focus on a slow and controlled descent, really engaging those triceps. Explosively push up for maximum benefit. And lastly, consistency is your best friend. Aim to include triceps push-ups in your regular workout routine to see progress over time. Let's address some common mistakes. Avoid letting your elbows flare out. This reduces triceps engagement. Keep them close to your body throughout the movement. Also, don't allow your hips to sag or pike during the push-ups. Maintain a strong plank position for optimal results. By sidestepping these mistakes, you'll be well on your way to mastering triceps push-ups. Are you up for a challenge? I challenge you to incorporate 3 sets of 12-15 triceps push-ups into your next workout routine. Push yourself, but remember, quality reps are more important than quantity. Ready to transform those triceps? Let's get started. There you have it, the ultimate guide to mastering triceps push-ups. Strengthen and sculpt your arms with this simple yet incredibly effective exercise. Drop a comment below to let us know how you're incorporating triceps push-ups into your routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a workout tip from us. Until next time, keep pushing, keep challenging yourself, and keep achieving those fitness goals.